me, Surya.
And my name is Sid.
And today we're making challenge slime, and this is Mystery's pick.
Surya, do you want to go first?
Yes.
Alright, so which one do you pick? No, hold on. So pick two. See my two fingers? Which one do you pick? You pick translucent. Good job. So first we're gonna add the clear slime glue. So add it in. Just a little. Wait. We need the cup. So we're gonna add 20 ml. Squeeze hard.
I know what to squeeze. Super hard.
Oh, so hard. Okay, that might be enough. So, Surya, your pleasure to pour it in. He just poured it in.
Which is...
Takes a long time. Alright, let's stop there. So now, kind of mix it up.
So we need 20 ml.
Alright, now let me pour this in. You need 20 ml of water mixed with clear slime glue. And then after you mix for a while, you have to add like decorations if you want. Or you can just leave it alone. Alright, Surya, we're going to do the mystery pick of the colors. Alright, Surya, the pleasure of closing your eyes. Pick another one.
I want red.
Alright, pick one. Pick another one. You picked glow in the dark and pink. Cool.
Yay!
Now you can add it in there. Hold on. You need this. How much do you want?
Like 2.
Alright, that's enough.
Yeah, that's enough.
It's better if we don't add the colors because that's enough. Because then the thing won't show. Alright, then just put that in there.
Can I mix it up yet?
Mix it up now.
Whoa, this
pink.
is glow. This is a lot of glow in the dark.
Oh, it looks weird.
Looks like. Can I add a little more?
Yeah. One more. Hold on. Take it.
I have glue on me.
Should I mix? I'll help you mix.
Dude,
Wow.
you're crashing me.
Is that enough?
Yeah, that's enough.
Hold on. Let go. Ooh, there's so much pink. This looks like this. We made this from the Nickelodeon slime kitchen. So, all right, Surya. Anything else? Do you want these? The decals?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you add some to my hand? Until we can. I want a little bit.
It takes a long time because it's a little packet.
Can I have a little?
Yeah.
That's enough.
Hold on. That's enough. All right, go. He's gonna add it in there. Looks cool. If you can come close.
Can I mix it up again?
Yeah, mix it up. Come on, mix it.
Can you take this out?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks cool. Where's the other ones?
Want to add your slime activator now?
Yeah.
All right, ready?
Till 30?
much.
It's
No?
water.
All right, keep mixing. Keep mixing. I'm gonna add it in.
It's water.
Keep mixing. Keep mixing. All right, see, it's like forming to make slime. All right, keep mixing. It won't work then. Keep mixing. My fail for the slime was this. It's bouncy, and that's not how it's supposed to be. It was supposed to be like sticky, no.
Oh, this is holy moly.
All right, keep mixing it. Should work. It should turn out as my white one. This is actually cool. No.
What is these three equal to?
I don't know, just weird. I don't know.
Mine's
Right.
almost done. We need a container.
As you can see, the slime is like, it turned out as my white one. Right, Surya, you can play with this. And now it's my turn. Surya, close my eyes. Alright, hold up 2 fingers. 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 And which one did I pick?
You picked You picked on. You picked on.
Did I
on
pick
sticky.
opposite?
You picked on sticky.
Oh, I picked the sticky one or the unsticky?
On sticky.
That's the unsticky.
No, you need to make it.
So, since Surya made the unsticky one, I want to be fair, but since he made the unsticky one, I'm gonna make the sticky one. So I'm gonna be needing this.
Yeah, you picked the sticky one.
Okay. So I'm gonna be needing the white slime glue.
Why is it sticking up to
Oh
the
wait,
plate?
nope, the activator came on.
Why is it sticking on?
I'm just gonna pour it in my bowl then.
Oh, it's sticky.
It's white.
Why is it sticky? It's sticky.
That should be enough.
It's sticky, Situ.
Cool.
Why is it
Now
sticky?
the activator, which is right here. Actually, I need water. So
Here's a cup of the water.
since there's activator in this, I don't want to. Oh, that's too much. But who cares?
I want to pour more white.
It's like swirling up into pieces.
And this is my first slime I ever made.
Okay. Weird, getting weird.
Can I see, Sid?
There you go. It's like getting sticky and all. I didn't add the activator yet. So I'm going to add decal. So
Can I add more detail?
I'm going to add
little
all of it. Oh, really can add. I'm going to add all of it. 3, 2. Actually, no, I want to save this. So,
You have too much.
all right, that's enough.
Here, I need this stick.
Ooh, it looks so weird with all the things in it. I feel like I didn't activate it yet, but it's like still curling.
Ah,
All right, I'm gonna add a little bit of activator.
Now I have to still mix it up.
Just a little. Actually, I'm gonna add a little bit since it's not so much. I'm just gonna mix it up. Oh, ew! Look at it. It's like
Ew. It looks like dragon ears.
what is that?
Dragon ears.
Jagrin Jeers?
Yeah.
What is that?
He's the first. He's the 100%.
Okay. Jagrin Jeers. Alright, I'm gonna add my my colors, Surya. You have the pleasure to close my eyes. Alright? Close them hard. I'm going to pick a color. Okay, this one and then this one.
You picked red and green.
Sweet. Alright, so I'm going to add them in. Here we go.
Ah, so gooey.
Green. So. And then I'm going to add red. I don't think it'll turn out good because I'm adding 2 colors in.
Mine looks so good. It's light pink.
Cool. It's just like this one.
Yes.
Oh yeah, I forgot to mention red and green are Christmas colors. Right, Surya?
And yeah.
So I just added it in. I'm just gonna mix it up. Just
Red and white or pink?
it's like all watery, you know.
Oh,
It's turning black.